Black holes are the most fascinating object in our universe. For describing black hole, there are two prevailing theories for different dimensions. In one framework, gravity operates within the three-dimensional geometry of black holes, but practical physics is confined to two-dimensional surface, like a flat disk. Black hole emits mass band space time, generating a gravitational field that extends in three dimensions. Now we are talking about the components of a black hole. Black hole consists of several key components, each contributing to its complex nature. At very center of a black hole lies the singularity, a point where gravity is so intense that space-time is infinitely curved. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once anything, including light, crosses their boundaries, it can no longer escape the black hole gravitational pull. The event horizon defines the black hole's size and is often the most recognizable features. Now another point is the photon spheres. Just outside the event horizon, the photon sphere is a region where light can orbit the black hole due to its extreme gravity. Photon light particles can temporarily circle the black hole before either escaping or being pulling in. Now we are talking about the accretion disk. Many black holes are surrounded by an accretion disk, a rotating ring of a gas, dust, and other matter spiraling towards the event horizon. Now we are talking about the types of black holes. Miniature. It's the smallest black hole. According to the scientist, the size of a miniature is just like a single atom. But if we consider about the mass, it's just like a big mountain. Now the second type of a black hole is stellar. Stellar black holes are bigger than a miniature black hole. Stellar black hole mass may be 20 times greater than our sun. Dozens of stellar black holes may be found in our Milky Galaxy. Stellar black holes occur after the supernova. And a third type is an intermediate black hole. It's occur when many stellar black holes merge with each other. Last and the biggest black hole is the supermassive black hole. Mass or size of a supermassive black hole is approx or you can say equal to more than 1 million suns. It also called a million big star black hole because they have a mass approx 1 million 200 million sun. Black hole which is found in our Milky Way is called a Sagittarius A star and its mass is equal to 4 million suns. It's located at the center of our spiral galaxy Milky Way. The diameter of a Milky Way supermassive black hole is around 14.6 million miles and it's equal to the 23.5 million kilometers. This is a tiny compared to a Milky Way itself, which is 100,000 light years wide and thousand light year thick. If you're talking about the disks up as high as 18 million degree Fahrenheit and 10 million degrees Celsius, that is all about the black hole.